How to rename computer name using PowerShell command. Click on Windows. Go to Type here to search. Type PowerShell. Click Run as administrator. Click Yes. PowerShell prompt is open. Now check the existing host name. Type command. Hostname. Press Enter. Currently our computer name is VM11. Now I am going to change it. Type rename computer new name inverted comma Win11 inverted comma restart. Press Enter. After restart, log on as admin user. RT is our admin user. Now let's us verify the host name. Click on Windows. Go to Type here to search. Type CMD. Press Enter. Now to the command prompt is open. Type host name. Press Enter. As you can see, our host name is changed. So viewer, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.